This is CoIMBRA, a system for collaborative information manipulation, browsing, retrieval and annotation. It is a multi-user system running on the NMMU CoE large multi-touch surface. Multi-touch allows multiple users to interact with the system using an intuitive gesture interface. The system allows multiple users to retrieve information from the web, network, or other document collection and download to a local hard drive. This short video tutorial will take you through some of the basic functionality. Interact with the system using your fingertips or long fingernails. Each user can bring up his or her own main menu. Touch and hold for about a second to bring up the main menu. The system identifies users by means of color codes. Select a color code with the color select button here. I'm going to choose red. This button creates a new web browser object, which can be used like a tab in Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or even Microsoft Internet Explorer. This creates a multi-user or multi-tab web browser. The magnifying glass button creates a new search object, which can be used to search the web using Google. To manipulate any object, you can use gesture. You may use one finger to drag, two fingers to zoom, or two fingers to rotate. Touching on any text box brings up an on-screen keyboard. Let's go ahead and search for NMMU. The object returns a list of results. You can browse through the list either by flicking up and down on the white space to the right, or using the scroll bar. You can delete irrelevant search results with the close button on each result. Or you can open the result using the blue arrow. Let's go ahead and close the search object. Here we have an NMMU logo. If you want to create a duplicate object, perhaps to show a teammate, touch the duplicate button. You can also metaphorically turn the object over to make notes on the back. I'm going to make a note on the back. This is an NMMU logo. Okay. You can also assign ratings to the object by giving it a title such as quality and a score. I'm going to give it 3 stars. Notice that the annotation is updated in the duplicate. If your teammate wishes to assign his or her own rating, they may just select the rating and give it their own score. I'm going to create a menu object for my imaginary teammate. And I'm just going to assign them the color blue. My teammate is going to create a new folder to store this information in by touching on the new folder button and giving it a name. Folders can be resized and manipulated just like the other objects. We can then drag and drop these objects into the folder, like so. The system also logs all of the actions that are taken by the users. Touching on the log button displays a list of color-coded actions that have been taken during the project, allowing users to refine information and see which users did what. Finally, you can download all stored objects to your computer by selecting the menu and the save option, and then entering a local path. This then saves all stored objects to your hard drive along with any annotations you've made. We can then return to Windows and look in the NMMU folder that we've just created. And there we see our annotations and the logo that has just been downloaded. Thank you for your interest in the CoIMBRA system. You're welcome to email any questions or comments to ivan.sams@nmmu.ac.za.